Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. So, as the title read, we're at Summernats today. This is a Saturday. It's actually the first time they've ever sold out, so it should be pretty good. We slept in a little bit, or I slept in a little bit at our camping thing, so it is 12 o'clock, but still plenty of daylight, so we should get a decent video for you. I'm going to make a couple videos and stuff. I'm going to make one of just like edit of just all the cars and stuff, and then one video of just burnouts, and then this will be just like my vlog of the day, and I'll do the same video of this tomorrow, but the other ones will be all together, so yeah.
Come on, mate, line one. Come on, come on, get on it, get on it. Yeah. Come on, get on it. Get on it.
So we're just walking around like this field thing at the moment, getting some clips for my edit part of the cars. But Cam was frothing this thing because it's like a similar colour to his XR6, but it's like really clean paint. This freaking 31 is way too clean to just be a track car. so I just went and watched a couple burnouts like you've seen. I'm gonna try and get more videos of burnouts and stuff for this video, but a lot more for making just a video of that from today and tomorrow. But now we're just going for a wander around again. We are trying to find like a shed where they have all the unveiling cars and stuff, but never been here before, so we have no idea. So I'm going to make a quick little edit while walking around now and put it in, and I'll probably use all these clips as well in the next video, like of just all the edits. So. We're leaving now to go and charge like laptop and cameras and stuff, and then we're going to come back again a bit later. So yeah. Well, Cam's in Macca's and then like go for a walk around and show some of the cars that are cruising around. It's 35 GTR just there. This thing is sick.
You get one now?
Actually going to take one of these scooters back to the car to get a jumper and some long pants because it is freezing. We've got a jumper, it's still cold, but we're good to go again. There's 1,000,001 people in the street, but I'm just going to try and make an edit again of just the cars that are parked up here, and then I don't know what we're going to do. So. Alright, so we're going to cruise back over to the grounds and watch a Bliss and Esso thing. So going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.